Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everything works good here. All right. Let's see. Morning, good morning. Is it working? Let's see here. I think so. I think we're working. All right, let's get the audio up here. Morning, good morning. Working? Yeah, there we go. Good, good, good. All right, let's get into it. All right. Going into today, what data do we got? We got, I believe we had news that came out this morning. Forex Factory having technical problems. That's crazy. Okay. News. Let's go to economic news, market watch, economic calendar. Let's see what we got. Tuesday. Okay, economic calendar. Let's go over it. Tuesday. Yeah, we had the housing starts, building permits, stuff like that. Previous median forecast. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, we had these numbers already come out today. And then we have Paula speaking later. I knew that. So we're going to be paying attention to Paula speaking later. So we can't really push too much on what's going to happen here with the news today. That's so loud. So what happens in the market today is what happens, you know. What do we have? We have these relative equal highs that are up here. See these relative equal highs up there. You have the buy side. Okay. I would say that that is a potential target. I would like to see price trade down lower into this gap a little more and then go higher. We hit the midnight open. I know we had the power 3 already. We also have SMT divergence from this low to this low. Higher low there, lower low there. We also have the NWOG that we're playing off of here. And we have the NDOG there too. So we're paying attention to those levels. So higher low. We tap the NWOG on ES. So I want to see what happens here in price action. Do we get inversions and push higher, or do we just consolidate? I'm going to lead to consolidation for a little bit. I'm not really going to push too much here. I'm going to put this front of the account on. Contracts per trade on this. Oh man. I'd be interested in looking for some calls on QQQ if we do actually get some strong rejection. But I just know we had a very, very bearish 2-day gap there. Not opposed to seeing price pull back down deeper into this range. Nvidia is just ripping too. I don't like target stock, but I do know there's equal highs up here. So if we get down into this deeper discount within here, wouldn't mind seeing some rejection out of here. Trade down, potentially reach on up into there. Alright, so we're trading down deeper into this gap here. 15 minute. So keep in mind, while I am traded up into this range, filled in this gap here. We never inverted it. I know we have bearish SMT at the wicks. Already so damn bearish, it wouldn't be surprising if we trade down once more. Make another low. Let's see here. Alright, we're good, we're good. Yeah, we just traded down deep into that fair value gap that we were just talking about. There's no SMT here, but guarantee a 30-second fair value gap right there. If we invert that, we could reach up to this high here. There's no SMT, so that's not good in my opinion. This higher low. I'm just saying there's none on the wicks here. Those made equal lows. Yeah, I would say we're pulling back to here, rip up to that high there. It's just not high probability to me. This would be based on a 30-second inversion level. So really, like entering there, stop like below here. Target it here. But like, I don't like that, to be honest. So we just tapped the high of there. Let's say right there. I'm not entering that because there's no SMT, so no SMT, no trade. Oh yeah, now we got SMT, lower low. I'll put on my risk account. This is a bullshit trade, but I know I just took out that internal high, but I like the SMT there. Yeah, this might be stop. Yeah, it looks like garbage, dude. Let's see. We're back at that 30-second fair value gap. Yeah, if we didn't hit that high there, I feel like that would have been a lot better. move stops. Because we're poking up, we just keep consolidating here. Yo, we might get break even. We're up like 300, but I'm looking for like 900 on this one. But yeah, just break even that one, fuck it. That was a riskier account. Since we took out this high there, and now we tap this for value up, we're already bearish, so. Okay, another low, but we're still staying here. So that's a good sign. Let's see. Where's that 30-second gap at? Down there. Alright, I'm waiting for something better. My other accounts. So we made another lower low. I kind of like that still. Another lower low, and we still stayed strong on this. So we'll see if that gravitates up or not. I'm not going to try to force and control everything. Just take it pretty easy this morning. I don't need to take anything. So I haven't taken anything on this account, which is linked to the other two. These two are linked. These are accounts I'm gonna focus on, as well as this one here. That's why I don't want to overtrade it, you know. I want to take it easy. Alright, there it goes, right back down into the 30-second. Probably gotta rip down below it. That's cool. Yeah, so I'm taking it easy this morning. But for our macro. Yeah, bouncing out the end dog there. See if we fall some more, maybe. We hit the buy side. Give it back to sell side, maybe. It's got these equal highs up there. This would be nice, honestly. That'd be fucking nice. Damn, look at that SMT, dude. Look at that shit. Just come back to the low. 50% of this wick. Sheesh. Alright, play out this for value gap, maybe. Reject this wick once more. Give her a ripper, maybe. Oh, more SMT. No, lower low, higher low. Not trying to control price, but that's just what I'm seeing there. Is this a low? Might be. Of this 15-minute gap is right there. Lower low, higher low in the wick. Well, that don't mean shit. We're gonna keep moving down. Yo, this still looks bearish. Looking at the 30-second by the screen. How far down we going, baby? Take out these internal lows here. gonna retest it. 15-second for value gap. Is it gonna send it right down? Let's see. Looks like it will. So right here. The 15-second. Does it move it down or not? Dude, we're in this higher time frame gap. It's huge. Oh, I never did. Never put the opening range in here. I don't think there really is one. That's why. That's why. No, it's not even big. I like when there's a small opening range. It's nice. Digging deeper down in the 5-minute order block for value gap. Let's see, we dip down into there. Bullish SMT. Let's see if we inverse this 2-minute. See if we go bullish. If we inverse this 2-minute here, we have 53 seconds left. Do you have SMT? Or a discount? SMT. SMT in the wicks. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to. Oh fuck, it's moving without me. So I might not be able to do it. If we retest it, I'll take a buy in that. Might not get the retest though. Motherfucker. Let's just enter right there. Say fuck it. Yeah, the risk would be good on that. Motherfucker. Ugh. That's what I was looking for right there. Bullshit, I say. We'll see what it does up here. I'm taking my limit order out. I wanted that to happen there right away. Let's go wait for more information now. See if it pulls back or not. Oh, it's not the end dog again. Took out this internal high there. Move 20 points, right? Do 20-20? Yeah, that'd be a win right there. 2-minute version win. Let's go. Just enter it when it closes it, you know? That's really all it is. Likely to rip higher too. If it was a little more clear, I'd probably enter it. Alright, now we got SMT in these wicks. I'm still not really that convinced though. Bouncing out the end dog up there. I'm not really that convinced yet. I want to stay on the sideline still. I know we got this order block. Those equal highs. Oh man, I really want to enter it, but I'm not gonna. See, lower low. We inverted this 1 minute. I just feel like we're already high in the expansion. Like, we already missed the move. Looking at it there, like that's like a good buy area. I just wanted to see the limit get hit. Limit didn't get hit, so that's fine. So now I just gotta wait for something a little bit better. Personally, I like to see more consolidation and pullback and see what we get in there. If there's anything good. But as of right now, it's nothing really that good yet. So yeah, we shifted up, pulled back in internal liquidity. We're rejecting in here. Could always get another swing down. This would be best case scenario right there. But who's to say we can't just rip up here right now? I mean, it's possible and just miss out on it. And this is where the buy was. We did just hit internal liquidity though. So we'll see. We're in our macro. I would have liked to see speed already come in. Yeah, it wasn't clear. This really wasn't clear enough for me to take this trade. It's really no big deal. Yeah, as we were talking about the SMT. There she goes, baby! TP hit. 2-minute inversion, let's go. Let's see if it continues or not. Equal highs up there. Holy shit, this is looking good. Yeah, I was a little early in that 30-second inversion, but man, this next one's really tore it up. We have the SMT at the wicks. Just not a fan of that price action up here. I would have liked to look for more of a retracement, but obviously this is a breakaway gap in this case. There she goes. So I like that right here. Let's say we closed it and we just enter. You know, you leave your stop open, 20 points or whatever you want to do. TP1, 20 points. So you risk 1,200. That could be 1,200 profit, or just take one off, so 400. And then you can take another one off here. So that would be like 35 points, whatever that is. So 4, 5, 6. Let's just say 600 there. So you'd lock in 1,000 on that one, and then you could let the last one possibly go. Trail your stop below here. To see if we can get up to there. So that would be 4, 8, 10, 11, 12. So another 1,200 or so. So, you know, say like 1,200 or so if we hit this all-time high. Oh, these equal highs, I mean. So if that does happen, that'd be like 2,200 profit, I believe. I'm doing the math right. So that's 3 contracts on this bitch going right there. That's pretty nice in my opinion. Now we got this breaker here. So these down close candles now potentially act as a breaker. We still have a higher time frame. Equal highs up there. I want to see that 5-minute close in inversion. We got 4 minutes left. I really like how we hit this low. I know we bounced up. Let's see if we hit this rejection block. I wouldn't mind seeing it come down a little more. But this looks bullish to me, even on a 15-minute. We're dipping down in this for value gap. We're not here. That's bullish. SMT at the wicks. But I still wouldn't be surprised to see it come back down. But ideally, yeah, that's kind of like what we're looking at. You know, it's kind of clean. 2-minute inversion. Boom. Sexy. I didn't take it because I put a limit down on the 2-minute. It's because I wanted to see just pull back just a little bit, but sometimes it doesn't do it. I mean, that's what you learn. That's why you got to be okay with the consolidations. You can't really predict that kind of shit moving that fast. But also, if it does decide to go bearish, you know, use this triple top here, whatever you want to call it. If it does want to start moving down lower now, I got to be aware of that. That's completely fine. I don't need to be in this right now. I just know we pulled back down into here. I wouldn't mind seeing another consolidation. Swing low. This, another swing low and inversion to go long. This would be beautiful, dude. Oh my god, that'd be beautiful. But, that's what we could anticipate possibly if it doesn't want to do that. The last 4 months. All right, let's get into this chart here. But the thing is, if we inverse this and we make another swing low, that's beautiful too. But I don't think it's going to happen. We got this breaker here. I want to pay attention to what we get now in this price action. I know I missed my move down here. I mean, it's fine. No big deal. I'm still liking these equal highs. There's a potential draw on liquidity. I'm trying my best to just stay calm and not really get too hyped up here. I know we just hit this, whatchamacall, end dog. New day opening gap. Give SMT. No SMT at the wicks. We do here though. Lower low, higher low from that area. I wouldn't mind seeing one more trade down before I move. We're about to inverse this 30-second. Just inverse the 30-second here on ES, bouncing off the end dog. Actually opened up above the end dog there. That's bullish as well. So if we go, okay, I'll take that in the risky account. I want to see if we make one more swing low. That's the real thing there. Ideally, I'd like to see. I'd like to see this stay intact. Preferably this opening range. So that'd be down to below here. That's obviously not a good RR. Oh, my fucking ear hurts. Take these headphones off. I want to see more information still in this area. Maybe chop some more in here. Even down into here. Inversion. On up. Or if we just sell off something like this to buy up. Or if it just sells off into here. Like down into this low. And then we get the inversion. It's kind of like no man's land right here. I think it's higher probability because we got the 5 minute right there. Got this breaker right here. So yeah, I don't like that for longs now. We're back in the opening range. We broke through this PD array, and we're tapping this PD array. If it breaks this one, we're fucked. And what I do like is that we're not doing that here on YM. 15 second, about to give her a good flip for the buck right now, you know? Look at that. That's actually kind of sexy. It's a nice juicy reaction off that low. Would have liked to see if her value got a punch back up, but I mean that's still golden, dude. That's what I was saying. This opening range is key. You know, stops below there. I like it. Now imagine having a limit order down there. It'd be wild right now. It's a 15-second inversion. You could have bought that, ripping it up. See how this 5-minute close, 9-minute. It's looking good. If we close like this in the 9-minute, that's nice. It's really nice. I'd like to see more, something a little bit better for inversions, you know? It's really just chopping around right here. It's a nice closure on the 2-minute. Above the end dog there. Took out this internal high, now we're pulling back though. 5-minute, obviously rejected this for a value gap. It's done it multiple times now. Five-minute for value gap. Bouncing out this end dog. I like that. I like how it's looking, honestly. Lower time frame's kind of sus. I think I could tap back into here one more time, but that's just me. How's a 9-minute looking? Oh, that looks good. Yeah, if it digs down in this wick a little bit, that'd be nice. Come on, you can't tell me that doesn't look like a good 9-minute candle right there. So I don't think it's highest probability. But I think it's a good 9-minute candle. It's like, what's the difference from here? It's 20 points. Left those equal highs, I like that. The thing with this, it's spending a lot of time up here. I don't want to say I'm afraid, but like, I wouldn't want to see it really spend a whole lot more time here. Let's see, one more wick down and then a move higher. That'd be nice. But that's really about it. We might not even get that fucking wick down. That's the thing right now. Oh man. Let's see. Yeah, think about it. Now we got 3-minute closing yet. Fucking ripping, dude. Yeah, 3 minutes gonna close in a minute. Dude, that's so nice. A 3-minute retest the end dog there. Rips. Fuck, dude. That's so crazy. Yo, I had a limit right here. Whatever. We took out that high. I closed that limit now. About to chug this high. There she goes. Damn it. So yeah, look at the lower low, higher lows. Retest. SMT. Obviously gonna go bullish, you know. Looks like we're gonna rip up to here. This gap up there. Yeah, man, clear as day, dude. I just didn't get to take advantage of it. I like the last side by side better. There's no inversions in here, you know? It's like, does not even look good. Hit that 2-minute down lower, but that was it. Yeah, we'll see. Bullish, well, bearish SMT now. Higher high, lower high. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I'm curious if it inverses this, if we're gonna trade lower or not. Because we do got these equal lows we never hit, and then all this liquidity there. Yo, that's so possible too. internal liquidity. Dude, that's crazy if that does happen. This goes to these lows here. Yo, this would be great. Short right there. Yo, we're getting bullish SMT on Bitcoin right now. On the daily wicks. Oh shit, dude, we are bouncing off that inversion big time. I'd say Ethereum's gonna do this. I don't think that's a bad ETH trade right there. You notice how we're pushing higher here? We're staying... No, we were staying lower there. Let's see, unless this is another continuation. Another poke at the high would be nice. Pull back. Yeah, let me grab a coffee. I'll be right back. Alright, none of them hit the high, but we do have the bearish SMT here. From the wicks. We just inversed this on a 30-second, but it wasn't a singular gap. So that's not something I'd be too proud of taking, but... let's say something like this down to here. These relative equal lows. If you're really looking at that. It's a 1-to-1 right there. Obviously I stepped away, so it's not invalid, but see, we're tapping down in these relative equal lows now. That's where I had my limit earlier for these equal highs, but we never hit it. So yeah, that's pretty sweet how we came up. We rejected that there. A 2-minute order block now. Alright, now we're down into that gap here that we were talking about. We're back down in this area. The question is, do we just reject this and keep going higher, or do we actually flip it back around? I might be sitting here all morning without a clear setup. I like this. One inversion or something. Some inversion up within there. This is also considered now a breaker. So we could be playing this breaker to short down now. Got these relative equal lows. With this high taken, we're already bearish. Cannot not forget about that. You know? I feel like a lot of people are thinking like we're ready to go back up already, but this could be triggering a lot of people to get in right now for calls, but I got bearish SMT at these wicks in this breaker here for a short. I don't really trade breakers, but this doesn't look too bad. I'm going to pay attention to see what we get in this area now. Bearish 3-minute closure. We'll see if she wants to target all the way back down to these lows. We'll see. A lot of potential in it. Like down to the morning lows here. We took these highs, go back down to the lows. It's possible. 3-minute close, so bearish. I like that. I really like that. Yeah, but I have to get going though. We got something I gotta take care of. But yeah, I'd be watching that to see if this does reject or not. If it does reject, maybe more accumulation and then a short. Or if we poke the high once more, look for possibly another short down in there. But yeah, but the argument for the short now is for value gap paired with this breaker here, paired with the 2-minute order block. I mean, that's the argument here right now. I'm usually not an order block trader. I mean, a breaker trader, but this is kind of what I like here. This would be the breaker. So this would be considered the breaker. Then screenshot this. So this would be the breaker trade here. So yeah, I'd want to see these relative equal lows tapped. Put this into perspective there. And here. Come back to the 2-minute order block. I just don't like how they all made the same high. I still think it's really possible to do this. But like I said, this breaker, strong. This seems like very strong. Now we're getting SMT at these wicks here. So higher high. Lower high. So that's making me think like this breaker is like really strong here. But yeah, we do have the bullish SMT as well there. So I mean, there's pros and cons of this, but it's really whatever you think is best. I'm not comfortable taking it out in MFF or the funded. This should be better, the buy down here that we had earlier. But I think it's worth a low risk trade on like on Top Step X account. I mean, that's what I'm doing. I personally think it should stay below here now. We just had a bearish closure. I took a small risk on it, so we'll see.
For unlimited listening, head over to brain.fm.
I know it's choppy, so like I'll still be in the game even if this does lose. I'll still be in the game for later, for after the news. That's really like what I'm betting on today. Based on this, I would say external to internal. I guess I'd say these equal those. See how this one goes. Honestly, we're probably going to rip down even farther though. Back down to these lows on ES, down to these lows here. I'll take profit. Right there. How's this looking? Yeah, look at the equal lows you just fucking made here. See after that, like to see it just rip down now. Yeah. All right, take profit, hit it. All right, we're good. Sweet. Back up on the day. Back up on the day. That was entry. Stop loss. All right. I was negative just from that one trade from earlier, but I just did another 1-to-1. So 76 profit on the day, right there. So I leave it as that. No big deal. Took out these equal lows, and I know we got the news later, so I'm gonna leave it. But I gotta get going. I got other business shit I gotta do. But take it easy, guys. Love y'all. Peace out. Not financial advice. It was a good session.